This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the government, the bad actors, the institutions, they want us to think that the banking industry is doing well. But every single day, we see more signs that the banking industry is in trouble. And you know, once the banks run out of money, the naked shorters run out of money also. Because the bank's liquidity and the liquidity of those bad actors, naked shorting AMC and GME and other stocks, they're commingled. They're tied together. Here we have an article stating that 94 U.S. banks are at risk of bank runs because they have so much money on their books that is uninsured. And what's crazy is J.P. Morgan Chase and Citibank are on this list. The biggest banks in the United States of America are at risk for a bank run because they have a whole lot of cash on their books that's not secured or insured by the FDIC. I tell you guys this all the time, and I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell any stock. What I'm telling you is based on everything that's going on in the market, based on what I'm seeing in the economy, but based on what I'm seeing globally. The banking industry is hanging on by its fingernails. Their liquidity is drying up, and that's why they're closing up all these branch offices. And as their liquidity dry up, as the bank's liquidity dries up, the naked shorters' liquidity are going to dry up also. Because if the banks can't keep the lights on, if they can't afford to pay their employees, they do not have money to lend to these naked shorters for these high-risk AMC and GME short plays. Everyone knows what they're doing. The SEC knows, the DOJ knows, the FBI knows, and they sit on the sidelines and they let it continue. But I believe, and this is just my opinion, I believe the market is going to get justice for us. I believe the market is going to implode on itself and force these bad actors to cover their naked short positions. And the SEC won't be able to save them. The DOJ won't be able to save them. The FBI won't be able to save them. And if the government don't force them to take on their responsibility, it is going to be a definite threat to our national security because the whole world will lose faith in the United States financial systems. So I'm speaking to all you regulatory agencies who are thinking about giving these bad actors a pass and not forcing them to cover their short positions when the market implodes. Remember that the whole world is watching, and if they don't cover those shorts, we will lose credibility on the entire planet. Bottom line. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think if 94 banks are at risk of being run on, does that mean the banking industry is hanging on by its fingernails? And if they're hanging on by their fingernails, the AMC GME naked shorters are hanging on by their fingernails also. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.